Right. Okay. Let me share the screen, guys. Fine. And let me open the YouTube channel. Yesterday's class is also uploaded. Just go to the YouTube and just type Sql DBA classes. Just Sql DBA classes. Okay. You will get this channel with the 3 black servers, right? This is our channel. Okay. Around 2.6 subscribers are there. 2.6K subscribers. Just subscribe it, guys. Subscribe it whenever I uploaded any new video. Immediately you will get the notification. Okay. So please subscribe it. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, no problem, Chidanand. Okay, I'll give you one form, Google form. Okay, after 4 days, once these demos are over, I'll give you one Google form. You can fill your details, your name, your phone number, your Gmail ID. Okay, Gmail ID is preferable so that I can give access easily. Okay, right. Nothing to worry about the email IDs, phone numbers, and all. I'm going to collect each and every information. Once these demos are completed, then I'm going to give you one Google form. You can fill all the details in the Google form itself, so that those who confirmed, I'm going to share the recordings with them, guys. Okay, nothing to worry. And please subscribe to our channel. Okay, so it's not like advertisement and all. If you subscribe, whenever I'm uploading the videos, immediately you will get the notification and you can check the videos. Go to the video section and I'll create a playlist also. Batch 42 playlist I'll create. Go to the video section. There you can see yesterday's classes. Sql DBA batch 42 introduction session class 1, introduction session class 2, introduction session class 3. These are the yesterday's classes, guys. Okay, the one which we have discussed. These are the yesterday's classes. Like that, first 5 to 10 days only I'm going to upload in the YouTube. How many videos we will get in the first 5 to 10 days, those videos I'm going to upload in the YouTube. Once everything is settled down, then I'm going to share you the recording files. Those who are confirmed, those who are interested, then I'm going to collect the email IDs, information and all. I'm going to share all the videos just to save the time, guys. Okay, just to save the time, nothing to worry. I'm the responsible one for that videos and all. I'll give you the access. Okay, and of course, and the next issue is these recordings are like misused. That is the main challenge. That is also one of the issue. So that's why I just decided to give you the access for all of you guys. Okay, I'm not going to give you the recording permissions for you. Right? Any concerns, any issues, any doubts? You can ask me. Any challenges, guys? No issues.
No issues. We are working on this.
Sorry.
There are no issues.
Okay, okay, done. Okay, so again, guys, if you have any issues, you can ping me immediately. You can stop me. You can ask your doubts and all. Nothing to worry. Again, nothing to hesitate. Okay, happily you can ask all of your doubts, guys. Okay, nothing to worry. Right, chalo, and try to be joined before 7:05, guys. As these are demo classes, okay, chalo, I'm giving some buffer time. Okay, like 7:10, 7:15 and all. I'm going to wait. Why? Because some people will face some troubles while connecting to the meeting. So that's why I'm just giving a buffer time. But try to be, at least if you are not possible to join by 7, try to be 7:05. Okay, try to be joined at least by 7:05. It will be helpful for you. Right? Fine. Chalo. Let's start into the discussion, guys. So a quick, let me create a performance sheet. Okay. Excel. This is your performance sheet, guys. Okay, and let me open the last batch performance sheet. Performance tracker B41, right? B41. Then this is the last batch one. What I can do, where is the Excel sheet? And those are Excel. Okay, student name, points. Everything is going to be calculated, guys. Okay, it's not like you are simply answering the things. Everything will be calculated. So like from the day one onwards, all your performance are going to be tracked. Okay, and at the end of the classes, like the last class, I'm going to announce the winners. Winners will get a prize, not only a prize, believe me, guys, you can be freelancers. Okay, you can be the freelancers once you got the job. Of course, if you are a winner of the batch, definitely you will get the job, no doubt about it. And once you got the job, believe me guys, lot of my students are working with me. Okay, I'll get lot of support work from other students and all. So once you are comfortable, once you got the job, once you got at least 6 years, 6 months, sorry, 6 months of experience, okay, what I'm going to do is I'll share some freelancing work with you, SQL DBA, not other things and all. Okay, I'm going to share some work with you. You can give the support to the students and all, so that you can increase, not just for money, to increase your subject and all. Those who are really interested, this is very helpful for them. Okay, okay. So
12 बजे
after,
के बाद डेटा आएगा.
please mute it, please mute it, please mute it, sir. Okay, done. Okay, so if you are the topper, okay, you will get a chance. Okay, you will get a chance to work with me, guys. I'm going to share my workload with you, so that how much money you're spending, definitely you can earn more than that, believe me. Okay, so this is one more offer I'm going to give it to the uh, winners. Okay, winners of each batch, guys. Chalo, let's jump into the session. And there is a, you can see messages, right? You can see chat box. Just set it to direct message to me, direct message to Shanmukh. Okay, it's not to everyone, set it to me. I'm going to ask you the questions, fastest fingers first. Those who will answer, okay, those who will answer, each one will get a reward point, guys. Okay, agree? Don't set your message to everyone. Okay, you cannot send messages to everyone directly. Okay, you have to send the messages to me itself, direct message to me. You can set it my name. Agree, guys? Everyone is ready? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready, guys, very important thing is, okay,
sir.
technically
Yes,
you
sir.
can be good, guys. Technically you can be good after 1 month or after 1.5 month, but the confidence is very important, guys. Yes or no, right or wrong, whatever it might be, try to open the mouth, please. Okay, forget about it. Okay, nothing, no need to hesitate. No one can see your face. Okay, no one can see your face. Why you are hesitating? If I answer like this, or if you have communication skills problem also, you can ask your doubts in Telugu language. Okay, and if you are comfortable in Hindi also, you can ask, but I'll tell you in English only. But I'm not so much good in Hindi. Okay, I can understand Hindi language. Clear, guys? Everyone is ready?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
done.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
done. Yes. Okay, just
Yes.
send a sample message to me. Yes, sir. Send a sample message to me, guys. Yes, sir. You have to send a sample direct message to me. Okay, done. All are direct messages only. Right, guys. Good. Chalo. Let's go for it. And ready, guys. Ready. What is SQL Server?
sir, it is a
No,
database software.
no. Only message, guys. You can set it to direct message to me using chat option. You can use your chat option. Okay, you can send message to me. There you can see two options to set it to Shanmukh. The correct answer will get a reward point, guys. Lot of people are sending lot of answers. It's a software. It's a RDBMS software. Okay, the correct answer, exact answer, at least nearby answer will get a reward point. That's okay, Rati. You can directly send it to me in the Zoom chat, okay? Right, chalo. Let's go one by one. Shravan Kumar responded first, and he said the SQL Server is a software, okay? Next, Yatish, it is a database application, okay? Val Venkatesh, it is a database server. Fanendra, it's a RDBMS software to store, process, and retrieve the data. Okay, Fanendra, it's a good answer. Chalo, let's mark you. Okay, Fanendra. Let's see who else. Okay, Satish Kumar, structured query language. Shiva, structured query language. Vamsi, SQL Server is a database software. Database language, retrieve, process data. Lenovo, Okay, Roja, Lenovo means Roja, right? Structured query language, retrieve data, process, and data store. Okay, done. It's introduced from Microsoft. Okay, good. From store data, retrieve data, process data. Okay, Kant. Sanjeev, database software which help to store the data, process the data, and retrieve the data. Okay, okay. So let's. Okay, Tirupati. It's good, guys. All guys are responded. It's so nice. SQL Server is admin software is store, process, retrieve the data. Okay, done. Okay. So let me mark the first three answers. Okay. Who are the first three answers? Fanendra, someone is spoiling my screen, guys. Let me remove this. Where is that erase button? Yes, don't do anything on my screen, guys. Okay. Fanendra and Roja and who else, guys? Sanjeev. Okay. Sanjeev. Guys, it's not time wasting process. Don't think like that. I'm there to help you. Okay. I can manage the things. Okay. So that's why we have 1.5 month. Nothing to worry. I'm not wasting the time. Okay. So don't think like that. Let me check. I got some messages. Okay. Done. Right. Can anyone tell me what are the other RDBMS software products in the market? Or database softwares in the market? Other database softwares in the market, guys.
RQ, MySQL,
No. Please,
or
please, messages, chat. Use chat option. You know the answer, but you try to respond chat quickly. Okay, only first three answers will be considered. But don't think like that. Okay, it's good if you answer it. And let me check. Right, chalo. Let me check the answers, guys. Check the answers. Okay, Vinny Sony, okay, Omshi Tirupati. Guys, those who joined today, nothing to worry, guys. No issues. Just I'm asking very basic questions that we have discussed yesterday. If you already followed my videos from the YouTube, that's happy. Okay, that's fine. No issues. And let me check. Okay, everyone joined with their names, right? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Right, very good, guys. And let me go with the answers. Okay, Arkil. Okay. Then who answered first? Let me check. Kandule Yatish Kumar, you answered first. MySQL, okay, that's fine. Vamsi, and closer to the answer will be calculated as a reward point. Okay, those who said correct answer are closer to the at least closer to the answer will be calculated as a reward point. Vamsi, Oracle, Balvankish, Oracle, MySQL, Satish, MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, MySQL, Arun, okay, Oracle, MySQL. NoSQL, Oracle, Fanendra, Oracle, MySQL, NoSQL, DB2, Sybase, Teradata. Okay. Oracle, my MS SQL, DB2, Oracle, DB2, Divya Midya, MongoDB, Sybase, DB2, MySQL. Okay. And Oracle, MySQL, SQL, and Oracle, Windows, MongoDB, NoSQL, Oracle, MongoDB, MySQL, Oracle, NoSQL DevOps, Shravan Kumar, Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, MySQL. Okay, guys, Oracle, MySQL, MongoDB, MariaDB, super. Krishna, Oracle, MySQL. Okay, Apache Tomcat. Okay. Malesh, Apache Tomcat is not database server. Okay, not database software. Right, there is a correction. Apache Tomcat server is not a database software. Okay, right. Okay, guys, good. Jenkins database software. Gartner report. Narendra Achari. Why we use Gartner report? Gartner report is just what we can say. It's just a company. Okay, it is going to collect the information, like surveys and all this kind of stuff. Okay, it's not a database software. That's fine. Okay, Mahesh, RDBMS software or Oracle SQL. Okay, guys, let me go with the Fanendra again. And other than Fanendra, let me check other guys. You all are answered excellent. That's fine, acceptable. I told you right. The correct answer or near to the answer. Nearby answer will be calculated. There's a reward point. Okay. Yeah, most of you guys answered only one software. Okay. So Fanendra answered almost 5 softwares, and Arun 2 softwares. Okay. Let me go in this order. Okay. Next to Fanendra, who else answered most? Divya Midya answered 2, and Narendra 3, Oracle, MSSQL. Okay. Well, Sanjeev, Fanendra, Sanjeev, and let me go with the one more answer, guys. Mahesh. Okay, let me go to the sheet. Okay, guys, just a minute. 3, na? That's fine. But I'm just counting those who said 5. Okay, Fanendra said 5, and Sanjeev also said 5. Mahesh also said 5, guys. Okay. Not Sanjeev, okay, not Roja. Let me change it to 1. Mahesh. Arun, you said 5. Might be in different answers, Arun. Okay. Try to. You said one answer. Okay. Not like that. Just they all sent in a single answer. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Not an issue. Okay. That's fine, Mahesh. Okay. Let me go with Mahesh. And solo, guys. Okay. Done. Right. So quickly, can anyone tell me what are the web server applications are there? What web server applications are there? We have some web servers, guys. Can anyone tell me the web servers?
Major servers.
Please in the chat. Right. Okay, chalo. Okay, let me open this one. Let me report. Shravan Kumar. Good. Sanjeev. Guys, I hope you are not using your notes and all, right? Okay. Tomcat. Sachita, AWS is a web server. Okay, that's fine. Naresh, Ravi said 3 softwares, 3 HTTPS. HTTPS is a web server, Ravi. Yes, Tomcat, Apache, Nginx. Good. Tomcat, Apache, Sanjeev, Dhananjay, Sanjeev, and Bala Venkatesh. Okay. First 3 answers are Dhananjay, Sanjeev, Bala Venkatesh. Sanjeev. Yes, you can stop the video. Video is not mandatory now, as of now. Dhananjay. Sanji again 1 point. Bal Venkatesh 1 point. Guys, these 3 people answered all the 4 softwares that we have discussed yesterday. Remaining, and the 2 they are in a top order. The first 3 people, right? As discussed, the first 3 people. So they are in the top order. Okay, chalo guys. With that note, let me close it. Okay, done for the day. So okay, done. Let me jump into the discussion, guys. Thank you all. And yesterday we discussed about this, right? 3-tier architecture. So each and every application has to follow this 3-tier architecture. As per this 3-tier architecture, whatever request you are getting from the browser, first it will touch the web server, then again from web server to application server, then application server to database server, then query will execute here, then the output will goes from database server to your application server, and application server to your web server, and web server to your browser server again. So that's why we'll call, whenever you open any application, you can see the application first. Okay, the application is an interface between user and the database, guys. Agree? Application is an interface between you. User means you only. Those who are using the application, they can call them as users. Okay, so user means it's just an interface between you and the database. You don't know what query you have to run, what query you have to use to get the data. Simply you will click on it. Automatically a single click can run as a query at the back end. So automatically you will get the output and you can see the product information, guys. This is how each and every application will work. Why we have to discuss this means very important. Let me mute you all. Please let me mute you all. Done. Okay, if you have questions, you can unmute and you can let me know, sir. Everyone, right? So why we have to discuss this very important point? If someone comes to you, hey, I'm unable to pull the data, my database is not working, what is your answer? What is your answer, guys? If someone comes to you, hey, my database is not working, what is your answer?
No, sir, database server is down.
Okay. Guys, tell me, what are your answers? What are your answers?
To check the query.
Next, tell me, guys, whatever your answers, tell me. Whatever, you can unmute now and you can tell me the answers. Whatever possible options are there, just
Sir,
tell me.
please
Sir,
repeat your question.
Server busy.
User is complaining that I am unable to access the data.
sir, if application server
Application is down.
Okay. Next possible issue. Tell me, guys, whatever possible reasons are there, just let me know.
Maybe
Server busy.
Database server is down, sir.
Server
Okay.
down, sir.
Okay.
Server down, sir.
Okay.
sir, it may be web server down or application server down or database server is down, sir.
Who is that?
Sir,
Panendra. Let me give you one reward point, Panendra. Guys, it's very important. It's very important. If someone complaining like my application is not working, I'm unable to pull the data, why all you are blaming the database? When the user can pull the data, guys, when the user can pull the data from the browser, he should have internet connection. Web servers has to work properly. Application servers has to work properly. Database server has to work properly. The network has to work properly. These many things involved in pulling the data. Why you are blaming database? Agree, everyone? Don't blame the database. It might be other reason also. You might not have internet connection or the network which is communicating with these servers are down. I agree. There might be a database issue, not because of only database issue. I'm saying why? Because sometimes we'll get tickets from the users. They will complain like my application is not accessible or I'm unable to pull the data. Don't blame the database first of all. Stop blaming the database. It might be some other reasons also. If web server, if the user wants to access the data, web server has to work properly, application server has to work properly, database server has to work properly, network has to work properly. These many things involved in working the application properly. Fine. Okay, so don't blame the application. Don't blame the any part of the application or any part of this architecture, guys. Okay, it might be any other reasons. Okay, so database down is one reason, might be other reasons also will be there. Okay, guys, is it clear? So sometimes when you get the ticket, don't think the ticket belongs to us. It might be because of other reasons also the database is down, because of other reasons also the application is not working properly, because of network also. Sometimes if network is down, you cannot access the application, you cannot access the data. So lot of reasons involved if the application is down, guys. Means if the application is not working as expected. Is it clear, guys? Chalo. This is what your 3-tier architecture, guys. Done. And let's go small discussions and all. We are going to hear, right, about SQL Server. We are going to discuss about the SQL Server. SQL Server is an RDBMS software which will help you to store the data, process the data. RDBMS software to store, to process, and to retrieve. Okay, to retrieve the data, right? So data. What is this data first of all?
Information.
Data is a raw fact, sir.
Data is
Collection
an
of raw facts.
information.
It's a
It's
raw fact,
collection
it's
of
an information, anything. Okay, guys, there is a difference.
Photos, videos,
Yes,
like.
very good, guys. There is a small difference between data and information, guys. There is a small difference. Yes.
Sir, data is a raw facts.
Yes,
Information is a
nothing but
meaningful information.
processed
Yes.
data.
Yes, very good, guys. There is
Data
a small
is
difference.
photos.
Yes. Very small difference is there. Data means it's a raw format, guys. It's just a raw format. Let me tell you, let me show you the exact example for your data. Okay, let me show you. This is your raw facts, guys. Okay, this is your raw facts, raw data. 10,000 Mahesh IT KR from ABC apartments. Okay. By just looking these values, you don't understand anything. This is just a data. By just looking these values, you can understand Mahesh is a name. You don't know what is IT. You don't know what is this KR from ABC apartments. This is just a data. It's in raw facts, guys. Raw format. Okay, data is just a raw format. It's a raw format. If you process the data, it will be converted as information. If you process the data, then we can call it as a information. This is raw facts. And if I process, okay, let me process the data. Let me add some values to this. Okay. And where is that? I'm sorry. Where is that? Yes, done. Okay. I just added some attributes to this data, guys. I just added some attributes to this data. Attributes might be anything. Attributes means just adding some meaning, guys. That's it. Attributes means adding some meaning. Earlier, if you see here, you don't understand anything, guys. Now, if you see here, can you understand the things? Earlier, you don't know what is this 10,000, guys. Okay. Earlier, you don't know what is this IT. Earlier, you don't know what is this ABC apartment KR Puram. But if I just add some meaning to that data, this becomes information, guys. I just gave one ID, and Mahesh is an employee name, and IT is nothing but his department, and ABC apartment KR is just his address, and 10,000 is salary, guys. Now, if you see here, you don't know what this exact meaning of this data. And if I added some attributes, if I just added some meaning to this, then you can understand what is this. So processed data, you can call it as information. The processed data, you can call it as a information, guys. Okay, is it clear? In the same way, if you see here, let me go to the, yeah, if you see the just values, okay, let me go to this. Let me go to snipping tool. Okay. New. Okay, done, guys. If you just look at these values, can you understand anything? What is this value? What is the meaning of these values, guys? Just 51, 77, 58, 82, 64, 70. What is this? Data or information?
Data, sir.
Don't know.
Raw data.
It's just a raw data. We don't know anything
Raw
about
format.
this. Yes, correct. It's just a raw data. We don't know about anything about this, right? So I just added some attributes to this. I just gave some meaning. Okay. So what attribute I have added? These are the test scores achieved by students, guys. Means now you got the idea. Okay. These are the scores achieved by the students. These are the scores achieved by the students. Once you got that idea, so what will be there in your mind? Okay, those who got highest marks, then definitely you will look the highest marks. Who got lowest marks, then definitely you look at the lowest marks, right? Who got like what is the average marks for all the students? So you will get lot of information, guys, by using your raw data. Okay, so if you see here, for this value, this is a raw data. I just processed, I just added context, I just added some meaning to this data. What is the meaning, guys? These are the test scores achieved by the students. Once I just process this data, I can process like once I just check this data. So average test score is calculated 67%. In these values, in these marks, the average score is 67%. In 67%, there are some people, there are some students less than average marks. There are some students more than average marks, guys. Okay, calculated shows that the first student mark is way below average. This is called data processing, guys. This can be done using your SQL server. So we are going to add a meaning to the data, guys. Processing data means what? We are going to add the meaning to the data. A structured data, you can call it as a structured data. Okay, by using this SQL server, we can, please guys, please mute it. Please mute it. In case if you don't have questions, please mute it. Right. So this is a raw format. Data means a raw format. Okay. Whereas if you add some context or if you add some attributes to the raw data, if you process the data, then that you can call it as information, guys. Right? Clear? This is the difference between information. Right. So nowadays you can see the data is going to be stored in a databases, guys. Before databases, what is the medium of storage, guys? Can anyone tell me? Before databases, where we use it to store the data? Databases suddenly they did not come into the market, right?
File.
Databases overnight they did not come into the market. There is a transformation. So before database, what is the medium of storing the data, guys? Can you tell me?
File.
Books.
File.
Books. SQL.
Excel sheet.
Excel sheet.
Files, records.
Records.
X.
Very good. Very good, guys. The meeting is going to close now. Okay, please, can you please connect with the same meeting link? Don't forget those 3 thumb rules, guys. Every 40 minutes, you have to connect immediately with the same meeting link. Automatically, this meeting will be closed. Use the same meeting link to join, guys. Okay, let me reopen the link.